Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see club members on Clubhouse. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. Now you have to go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on top right corner. On your profile, at the bottom you will see all the clubs you are member of. Now to see members you have to first go to the clubs page. All you have to do is tap on the club icon. This is the clubs page. Here you will see all the information about the club. And if you scroll down, you will see club members. This club has over 66,000 members, but it is only visible to the members. Only the members of this club can see other members. And if you continue scrolling down, you will be able to see all of the members. You can also follow other members if you want to. All you have to do is tap on follow just beside their name. And that's how you can see club members on Clubhouse app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.